finally eat. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make a super easy 5 to 10 minute Chinese cabbage recipe. If you guys are refeed, this is perfect cooked green vegetables as I always mention. And if you guys are keto or just looking for some new green veggies to eat, this is delicious. So if you're interested in learning how to make this delicious 10-minute Chinese healthy cabbage, then just keep watching. Here are the ingredients that you're gonna need for this super easy recipe. You're gonna need some cabbage, not the whole thing, but some of it, depending on how much you wanna eat. Some oil, I'm using the avocado oil today, but you're welcome to use any oil you want. This is just to put in the frying pan at the beginning while you're cooking the cabbage. Some chicken powder, some garlic powder, 3 or 4 cloves of garlic, some green onions. These ones are actually from my garden. And last but not least, you're going to need some oyster sauce. For any of you out there who are keto like me, this has some sugar in it, so be careful, don't put too much. It has 5 grams of carbs for 18 grams, but you're spreading it out in the entire dish. So realistically, the only amount that you're going to be consuming is probably maybe 1 or 2 grams of carbs for the entire serving, which is not that bad and it tastes delicious. So this is the oyster sauce. Rip some slices of the cabbage off into little bite-sized pieces here, and then we're going to wash it. Then you're going to turn this onto high heat and you're going to add some oil, and we're going to wait till the oil heats up. First step is to add the cabbage. Then you take a tiny bit of chicken powder and add it in. The next step is that you take your garlic powder and add some in as well. There are no measurements, just go by taste. And then add a couple cloves of garlic. You can add some water. Then you could chop the green onions. And add them to the dish. Then you take the oyster sauce, say about a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, or 1 tablespoon is enough. So here is the final product. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that little notification bell if you want to get more recipes and more videos from me all the time. I'm not fasting anymore, so I can finally eat. If you guys haven't joined yet, then make sure to join our Facebook accountability group called Fast Forward to Health. Basically, we like intermittent fasting as a lifestyle to fast forward our progress towards our weight loss and health. So if you want to join that group, the link is facebook.com/groups/fastforwardtohealth. I'll write it here, but I'll also write it below. And if you guys don't have Facebook, but you want to join the mailing list to get some of the recipes, the motivational videos, and all the other tools like the fasting calendar and things like that, then just shoot me an email at fastforwardtohealth@gmail.com. So join anytime, we don't bite, and I'll see you guys on the other side. Happy refeeding, and thank you so much for watching. Hit that like, hit the subscribe, hit the bell. I'll see you guys next time.